Now, today we will start a new chapter, a complete natural phenomena, uh, not desirable, of course. That is earthquake. Uh, all of you have heard about an earthquake. Now, what is an earthquake? Earthquake. So, what is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth which lasts for a very short time, a very short time. Clear? So suddenly we have seen in our television, or we have heard that earthquake took place. And what does that mean? That means if that earthquake took place in a region, we hear that so many casualties, so many damages took place. And why this damage? This damage is due to the sudden shaking of the earth. And like other natural phenomena like storm or something like sunset, sunrise, all these are natural phenomena, or solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. We can predict all these things. Meteorological department can predict when there will be rain or not, whether there will be a storm or not, where there will be a very high temperature or where there will be snowfall. These all things can be predicted, but the earthquake we cannot predict. This is completely unpredictable. Now, what causes the earthquake? Most of the earthquakes are caused by the movement of the tectonic plate. Most of the earthquake are caused by the movement of the tectonic plates. Soon I will discuss about the tectonic plates. Earth consists of 3 layers. Our earth mainly consists of 3 layers. Mainly consists of 3 layers. Three layers. These are the 3 layers of the earth. The innermost layer is called core, and this is mantle. And the uppermost layer is called crust. Now, this part is very hard, but Uh, this is liquid and this part is liquid and semi-liquid. Mantles are mainly consist of lavas, molten rocks, molten metals, heavy metals. All these things are made up of mantle, and which is semi-liquid can be considered or can be considered liquid. And these temperature of this core is very high. Core has very high temperature, very high temperature, and this temperature is supplied to mantle. And for this, the mantle is not stationary, it moves, and when it moves, it crust also moves. But if you think how a crust can move, the fact is the crust is not a single body. Crust is made up of rocks of different bodies, like jigsaw puzzles. This way, actually the crust is not a single piece. And our crust looks like this, like a jigsaw puzzle. And when the mantle inside the crust moves, these plates are also moves, and all these plates are called tectonic plate. Earlier I told you, and these big plates are called tectonic plates. Tectonic plates. And when the mantle moves, these tectonic plates also moves. And when these tectonic plates separate from each other, and these are the cracks on the tectonic plates, and they are joined like jigsaw puzzles. And when these tectonic plates, due to any reason, they separate from each other. Suppose this is separate, and when this separation takes place, when one tectonic plate separate with other, then a tremor caused at the point where the tectonic plates are separated. At the point from where the tectonic plates are separated, that the point from where the earthquake is generated. So we will study everything in detail. So the plates which float on the mantle are called tectonic plates, and these plates are very huge plates, and over on these tectonic plates we all live. Even the tectonic, you cannot, the size of these tectonic plates are of the size of a continent. These plates even bigger than the nations, very huge plates, and these plates float on the mantle, and they are floating no problem. And sometime if these tectonic plates, they are joined in this way, the way jigsaw puzzles are joined, and due to any reason, if these plates get separated from one another, at the point from where they get separated, that point is the origin of the earthquake, and we call it epicenter. So what will now, most of the earthquakes are caused by the movement of the tectonic plates, and earth consists of 3 layers. And now you know what is tectonic plate. These are the crust. That crust is not a single piece, it is made up of several pieces, and each piece of the crust is known as tectonic plates. And this is very hard, made up of rocks, layers of rocks, mountains, etc. And obviously the plates are not uniform. They are made up of huge blocks, and they are all these tectonic plates are joined together and not permanently joined. They are joined together just like a jigsaw puzzle. So all these big blocks are called tectonic plates. The heat setup set up by the mantle, heat set up by the mantle. So core has got maximum temperature. This temperature is carried to mantle, and mantle carries this temperature to crust. So mantle causes these tectonic plates to move continuously, Sometimes the movement caused by the edges sometimes the movement causes the edges. What is the edges? These are the edges of the tectonic plate. These are the edges of the tectonic plates. Causes the edges of these plates to grind against each other, or slide under each other, each other, or to move apart from each other. So there are three things. When tectonic plates move, three things can happen. One, they grind each other, or slide under each other, or move apart from each other. And all these three things send a tremor through the crust. All these three things, be it grinding, be it sliding, or be it separating apart, all these things send a tremor to the surface of the earth, and when this tremor reaches to the earth surface, we call it an earthquake. And this tremor has different intensities, and so when these tremors reach to the earth, they cause different kind of damages. That sometimes the damage is very fatal, very dangerous. Okay.